Alright guys, what's happening? We're back down here, downtown. Dad's in town. So we're down here, and he's already breaking out the magnet and having fun, so I hurry up and do this.
Digging the water here with Snorklepirate.
So I figured we'd do this intro real quick so I can get in the water and have fun too, because he's out here already catching stuff, trying to. And we're here playing with drones and cameras and whatnot, so. But we're gonna see if we can have fun. Luckily it's not flooded today like I thought, because it's been raining like crazy all week. A little bit of a current going on, pretty deep, but it's dry right here. So we're gonna see if we can't find some cool stuff like the last time I was here, like that radio, Snoopy toy, fishing rods. There's just crazy stuff here, so we're gonna get to it, guys. Let's go. I'm gonna take these keys and put it over here before I have a second terrible thing.
Did that happen to you once?
Yeah. So I only got one Jeep key, so need not to lose that one. But apparently I wasn't recording that, so yay! Alright guys, I found a screwdriver and some kind of like engine thing. We gotta go look at it now. No, I had a screwdriver too, but did not record any of that. Good times. There you go, guys. We found this. It looks like a spark plug or something, maybe. No idea. And we got a screwdriver. Cobalt. The low special. Got a bolt. Hello.
Hey, look at you. Rebar?
I don't know, something.
Or a tie rod.
Well, it's a cane now.
Looks like a tie rod.
Yoda! You sick Yoda!
Wait a minute. Wait, get back here. Do this again. Come on, man.
You sick Yoda? War's not make one great.
High five, dude.
Get y'all nasty.
That's good.
Oh yeah. Big old chunk of metal.
I think the current has a lot to do with finding stuff.
Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Oh my goodness. This is the slowest moving piece of river garbage ever. Come on. Come on. Are we having a ball yet?
Hey! We're having a ball.
It's the river puffer fish.
She's not there. However, I found a...
It's humid out here today, guys. Oh. Yeah, guys, can't wait for that 360, the Boss. Brute Magnetics. Come down here with that thing. It's gonna be awesome. I think we got something else. What do we have? Oh. Rebar. Whew. I feel like I need to wipe my face with some mud so I can support Team Sonia, Scuba Sonia, hashtag Team Sonia. Yeah, the rocks.
Well, that was something hard.
The amount of innuendos from him today. We save this kind of talk for the live streams. we save that for Magnetic Squatch's live stream now. We clicked to something there. I still have it. fairly heavy. It's a bigger item. Probably the biggest one today. Oh my goodness, another one of those big pipes. Ugh, disgusting.
Hey, Aaron. Snorklepirate, I do believe your ship just came in.
Flag's not as cool.
Hey, Snorkel.
Yup. What is that?
I have no idea. Hey, what are y'all doing?
Magnet fishing? Yeah. Oh, we got big old magnets, and anything metal in there is gonna get stuck. Like,
So you're trying to pull up rings, anything?
well, jewelry and stuff's non-ferrous, so it won't get that. But just
So what would you be finding?
junk metal. I mean, we just pulled out all kinds of junk metal.
Like metal that you can get scrapped for?
Yeah, well, you can scrap it. We're just cleaning up stuff. There's car parts.
There it is right here.
Yeah. Yeah.
You pulled them out.
Yeah, I pulled up like 8 of those so far. So,
Doing that to be nice.
Just something
Yeah.
to do. He has a YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel.
No way. Oh.
Huh?
What do you do, Campbell? I'll have to check it out. So people,
Here.
you just do this and the people are gonna watch what you're up to?
yeah, just go different places. We do this, and I'll go diving with him and clean up trash and look for lost stuff. And yeah, I mean, this mine's like, if it's if it's just a flat piece of metal, it takes 1,200 pounds to break it free.
A flat piece of metal takes 1,200 pounds.
Yeah, if it was just a clean piece of metal, it'd take 1,200 pounds of force to.
Force to lift it out.
But mostly everything's in there rusted. And
Hey, it's been in
Gee.
there for a while.
oh yeah, I mean, I pulled out tools and knives and.
I got you.
Here, I'll take stickers up and throw the rest back.
All right.
Sometime.
Piece of signpost.
What is it?
Piece of signpost. Huh.
What? Oh, I know what that is. It's one of them swivels. Doesn't swivel anymore.
I don't reckon.
GoPro, turn off.
All right, guys, we're wrapping up. As you can see, it turned into a really pretty day. Super hot though. We were worried about it raining and all kind of stuff in the morning, but I actually would have preferred if the clouds stayed out because it is super hot and muggy. Not very comfortable, but we didn't find a whole lot, but we had a lot of fun, and that's what matters. So remember, guys, click that subscribe button, click the thumbs up, hit that bell notification so you know every time I upload a video. If you would like to see more of my adventures, all that stuff super helps the channel out. And we'll be closing in on 1,000 hopefully pretty soon. We're already at over 800. That's super awesome. Thank you guys so much. It really means a lot. And if you guys are interested in buying some magnets or some magnet accessories or a magnet kit, go to brutemagnetics.com, link down in the description. Use my code SNORKEL10 at checkout. Save yourself 10%. And yeah, go buy yourself an awesome magnet here soon. If you've been watching Michigan Magnet Man, they're gonna be coming out with the Boss, the first American-made 360 magnet, coming out at the end of summer, so probably end of July or end of August or something. It's gonna be awesome, so be on the lookout for that, guys. But that being said, we're gonna pack up. We're gonna go chill out a little bit because it is super warm, and hope you guys are having a great day. We'll see you next time. Remember, go out there, make your own adventures. Life's short. Have fun. Peace, guys.